Today I want to unbox Althea Pore Care Box. Yes, it's from Althea, all the way from Korea. Takes 10 to 15 days for the delivery. We got My Beauty rice sheet mask. My favorite. And this Innisfree, it's real squeeze mask bamboo. One of my favorite skincare products, Skin Food. Egg white pack is a peel-off nose pack. We got Innisfree Jeju sparkling mineral powder. This is Innisfree Jeju volcanic pore clay mask. Let's see how the box looks like. And I love the top part. Do you see that? It's from Secret Key lemon sparkling peeling pad. Let's see how this looks like. Do you see this? It's from Ray Pore Tightening Fresh Toner. This is silk. This is a big bottle. Chica White Chico Oil Clear Essence. I love. That's how it looks like. Now we got Nella Black and Black Cleansing Foam and Brush. See?